That means commitment on your part. At a certain point, I step back and there's nothing I can do for you if you're not going to turn anything because I can't grade anything. And if you don't allow me to edit your horrible work to turn it into great, and then you do great the rest of the time. I've never had anybody that turned in the first assignment perfectly the first time. Any assignment. There needs to be some adjustment. You got to do what you're supposed to do. You have to have Word on your computer, which you get for free. You cannot work in Google Docs. You cannot work on anything else. You have to be able to do Zoom. Okay, we have one-on-one meetings. After you're done with your literature review, we have one-on-one meetings in every step of the way. So first one's long, second one's shorter, and they get shorter as they go because you're almost going to be done. But the challenge is you figuring this out, understanding the directions, asking questions. So I'm going to go over what's on the screen right now, which is the 610 and the 695A. They run concurrently and they're two completely separate classes. They connect. So at the beginning, you're not going to have a lot of work in 695A. You just got a simple assignments. There has to be something turned in every week. That's why it's split up and spread apart. So when you do your work and you turn it in, you're showing attendance. If you don't come for a couple weeks, I'm going to drop you because you can't finish. And I'm not pushing it into the second half. You got things you have to do that are relegated to what you're doing in this time period. So let's start in 695A and run through it. Everything is in lessons. Here's your template. That's what you use to turn in all your turn in your work. Okay. And then we have week 1 here. Introductory. You're choosing a topic. Let me go through that real quick. You're choosing a topic in your genre. So your business, you want to pick something in business, but you want to look for something that you're going to throw in there that I'm going to say yes to. So you can't go off the beaten trail. I want to look at the neural pathways of coaches. No, it's something simple. This project is set up in the idea of no participants, which saves you a ton of work. But in the same idea, you're choosing a topic in your genre that has enough literature, because the literature is what drives the results. You're looking for and this will come up a little later, but you're looking for a topic that you can find enough to write on to make decisions in the second half of this class. If you don't, and understand when I say no, I mean no, because I already know there's not, some of them might not have this. When you turn in your topic, it's got to be complete. You just can't say, I want to do mental health, because mental health is not a topic, is allowed. The topics that are not allowed are LGBTQ